Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about everything related to drop shipping. How to start drop shipping in India, is it legal, how to do it, and what tools to use, and of course, how to run a successful drop shipping business in India. Let's go. First off, what is drop shipping? You must have heard all those fancy definitions of dropshipping on the internet already. Let's learn by example here. In traditional selling, there are manufacturers, wholesalers, retailers, and customers. Dropshipping is a new method of online selling where you can cut out unnecessary middlemen and sell directly to your customers, thereby increasing your profit margin and shortening the purchase length. Let's suppose you are a dropshipper. What you essentially do is find some good products to sell from reliable suppliers, then create an online store on Dukaan, let's say, and advertise your store directly to your customers through marketing channels like Facebook and Google. When a customer places an order with you, only then do you order those products from a manufacturer or a supplier. Now let's say you have done your research and know a particularly good product that is available for rupees 100 from the manufacturer or wholesaler. So you list it with a marked up price of your choice, let's say rupees 150 or 200 or even 500 on your store. You market it through social media and someone buys the product from your online store. Now you place the order directly to your supplier and they directly ship the products to the customer. Your only job here is to find products, list them on your store, advertise it, wait for the customers to order, and transfer the same order to your suppliers. You get to keep rupees 50 or 100 or even 400 depending on the marked up price, and you make the whole profit to yourself. This business model is so popular because you don't have to bother about the things that require the biggest investment as in a usual business, which is product procurement, storage, or even shipping for that matter. You do not get involved in the process of manufacturing, buying, storing, or even shipping at all. All you have to do is find a good product or products and create a reliable online store and a brand and loyal customer base through marketing. That's all. Your relationship with your customers is extremely important, however, because you are the one taking care of customer service. You are the point of contact for the customers and they rely on you to get their orders to them. This is essentially what dropshipping is and how you can make money from it. Simple, isn't it? So how is dropshipping done in India? Let's see. See, in India, as in anywhere else in the world, dropshipping is done through online channels and e-commerce platforms which facilitate online stores. All you have to do is decide your niche and product. You need to decide what kind of products you want to sell and what your target customer group is. This is extremely important because everything that you do next is based on this. The next thing to do is to find out where you can source your product from. It can be a website like AliExpress or local markets or your known local business person or just about anyone and anywhere you have contact with. Now set up an online store, let's say with Dukaan, and list the products with a markup price. That is, if you're getting the product for rupees 100, add your profit plus shipping charges and list it on your store on Dukaan. And that's it. You have your very own dropshipping store. Dropshipping is a low-risk, high-reward business model and has many benefits for you in India. You can carry a wider range of products in your store without having to actually bother with storage and shipping and other details. You can choose sellers whose products you want to showcase online. Give them orders as and when they come to you and not care about much other than that. To start a dropshipping business in India, you have to, number one, set up an online store. Number two, focus on your product listing. Number three, find the right suppliers. And number four, be active on social media and do marketing right. So what are the benefits of doing dropshipping in India? Number one, low investment. As you don't need to take care of storage and shipping costs or even rent or electricity or other personal costs, your investments are extremely low or bare minimum. Number two is high rewards. Whatever difference you keep between your supplier's cost and the sale price is completely your profit. Number three, no worries about logistics and shipping. You do not need to think about how to store or where to store all the products you have or how to deliver them to your customers. Number four, little or no workforce. Depending on the scale of your business, you can run it all by yourself. And number five, wider selection of products. You can list way more products when you don't need to take care of logistics. And of course, wider area of shipping. You can ship to farther distances as long as your suppliers are able to reach your customer's location. Flexibility of products. This is one of the most attractive features of dropshipping. You can change your collection whenever you want. You can add seasonal goods, festive products, basically anything that is in demand at the moment, because you do not need to store any of these products yourself. Faster expansion of business. Combine all the advantages mentioned earlier and you know why you can expand your business quickly. Now, not everything is great. There are some issues you need to know when doing dropshipping in India. The main issue in India with dropshipping is that AliExpress, the biggest supplier of goods to dropshipping business, has been banned in India. The solution to this is that you can now source your products locally from India, like that lesser known craftsman from your village or that local manufacturing unit in your city. India has so many manufacturing units, perhaps it's time to make use of them rather than rely on China or other countries. Other issues that sellers face in India might be returns. This is one of the most common problems Indians face with online products. If buyers don't like the product or find some fault with your product and want to return it, you have to handle it. Make sure you have a good return policy and the customers are aware of. Loss of payment on cash on delivery. This is another problem which is faced by Indian sellers. People buy products online with the option of cash on delivery but refuse to pay when the goods arrive. Make sure there are other modes of payment other than cash on delivery. Dukaan can help you with it. Delivery time. When you are not in charge of shipping, you have zero control over the shipping timelines. If the product delivery is delayed, the customers question you. Make sure your suppliers handles shipping professionally. Fraudulent suppliers. You might come across many fraudulent suppliers who send you faulty products or do not send you any products at all after they receive payment. So work with good suppliers only. Damaged products. There is a possibility that customers might receive damaged goods with manufacturing defects or damage that occurred while transporting them. Have an arrangement with your supplier so that such incidents are avoided. Now, how can Dukaan help you set up a dropshipping store? Say, Dukaan recently launched its social selling platform called Dukaan Plus. And why should you bother to learn about it? Dukaan Plus has very reputed direct-to-consumer brands like Bewakoof.com acting as sellers. You can easily join the platform and start listing the products, sell those on social media and earn a fat commission. Like the AliExpress or international dropshipping model, you don't have to think or worry about shipping at all. It's on Dukaan to ship your products in no time. There are already 20 plus D2C brands, 20,000 resellers and 25 lakh buyers on Dukaan Plus. What more do you need? In this social selling platform, you get everything that you can get on AliExpress or any other international dropshipping sources. It's based on the Indian market and you will have no problem with shipping anywhere in India. Shipping is Dukaan's responsibility. Thanks to our sophisticated supply chain, your orders can reach super fast to your customers. The suppliers listed on Dukaan are well reputed and well known, and there are zero chances of getting scammed. You can earn as much as your dropshipping business through fat commissions. The platform is brand new, so whoever comes in early can get the first mover advantage. So how to get started with Dukaan dropshipping? Get started with Dukaan Dropshipping, go to the links in the description or the ones that are flashing here on the screen and sign up easily. It only takes a minute or less to sign up and get started on Dukaan. Dukaan also has great customer support team who can help you with the onboarding and setting up process. So whatever your business idea is, find a good supplier and launch your store immediately. Enjoy the commissions and money. This is how you do e-commerce in 2021 and beyond. All the best. Talk to you in another video. See you soon.